Dependable service. Dependableservice.com.
Hey everybody, this is Joe Anderson, the service manager with Dependable Service Plumbing here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about outside showers. Living on the beach, having an outside shower is pretty much a necessity nowadays because you don't want anyone coming into your home with sandy feet coming right off the ocean or when your kids are playing in the sandbox. We have a number of different outside showers that we do offer. This one in specific is a Moen shower in which we can rough your outside shower in towards the inside of the wall, so it's less likely to freeze in the winter. It lasts a lot longer that way with the pipes not being exposed, and it also looks really nice. This shower has an adjustable shower head in which it can go up or down judging by the person's height. There's also valves inside so you can winterize it and it doesn't freeze in the winter. We recommend everyone looks into an outside shower because it just keeps down on the traffic through the house with the dirt. Also, if you have animals, great way to wash your dogs. If you wash your cats, if you have a pig, whatever you want to have as an animal, you can go ahead and wash them on the outside shower as well. Also, if you get in trouble with your wife, you can shower outside if you're not allowed to use the shower inside. So give us a call today so we can build some outside shower options for you. Hardworking and honest, our name is our promise, Dependable Service Plumbing.
Dependableservice.com.